A lot of you guys are wondering how you can make some easy money. Well, I'm about to show you guys how exactly you can make money in your pockets by spending money in only the Nissan section. This beautiful aluminum intake for the 6-cylinder. I'm looking, it says $106 for this piece alone without the throttle body. That metal piece, the whole intake, you're looking to spend maybe $40 tops. And that's with a 30-day warranty. Now, eBay don't give you no warranty and they don't do no exchanges either. So I think we pretty much win on that one if you ask me. I think that's a big, big steal. Why is that important? Well, that's like $60 in your pocket and another person gets to drive home happy. So now I am standing in front of a 2018 Nissan Sentra. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, why is this car here? I have absolutely no idea, but I do know one beautiful thing about this car. It has some comfortable seats. I'm looking at eBay at these exact same seats, and they're in way worse condition than the ones I'm sitting in right now. These ones, well, let's be honest, they're immaculate. I'm looking at some 2019 seats, so a year newer, for $805, and they're all stained. That is insane. Over here, you're gonna spend maybe around $120, and you're gonna get both seats. But $805? I can't even barely say the number, how blasphemous that is. You make almost, what, $650, $660 off of some seats? That's 4 bolts each chair. You're taking out 8 screws to make $700. That's a steal. Now we're gonna talk about the light in your life. Your headlights. Why are these important? Well, they help you see. Now, over here, you're gonna spend just a little under $40. You're gonna spend $38, you get a headlight. Now, this exact headlight from this exact Infiniti is $188 the headlight on eBay. That is crazy. You won't even spend $100 on both of the headlights here. So that means you're gonna be making what? Almost $700 off of headlights alone? And this is still in the Nissan section. That's a steal if you ask me. On some headlights, can't pass them up. Now this right here, I think we all know what this is. Your tailgate, your trunk, whatever you want to call it. This right here, this lovely piece of metal, is $1,006 on eBay. Outrageously priced. Now the tops you're gonna spend over here with warranties, maybe $300. And even that, I'm not even sure of that. That sounds like even too much to pay over here. Now, if I'm not wrong, that's about $700 profit. Still in the Nissan section as well. That is insane. This alone, the whole thing, it's 4 screws. Yes, it's heavy, really heavy, but $700 in your wallet might be a little heavy. So now we're back, still in the Nissan section. We have now moved, not quite anywhere actually, but I do want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that you can profit off of Nissans? How much do you think you could profit? Let me know in the comments. And if you have already, let me know what you have profited off of the Nissan section. Let us, everything. We want to see it all down here in this box. We want to see it right down there. And I need you to just, that like button, please. Make sure to subscribe because you ain't gonna see this face nowhere else.